Today's topic is rules. Rules at school, at work, and in our community. Why are rules important? Rules help us stay safe. Rules help us stay organized. Rules help everyone understand what to do. So, rules tell us what is right and what is wrong. Rules tell us what we should do and what we should not do. Let's start with school. What rules do students follow? Students must come to school on time. They must respect teachers. Students should listen carefully. They should complete their homework. They should be kind to classmates. Now let's talk about work. Employees must follow company rules. They must work safely. They should arrive on time. They should communicate clearly. They should respect their team. What about rules in the community? People must follow the law. They must keep public places clean. People should be polite. They should wait their turn. They should respect others. When we explain rules clearly, people understand us better. Describing appearance. Now let's learn how to describe people. Okay, I want to describe people better. Great. Let's start with the face and hair. He has a round face. She has a long face. He has brown eyes. She has blue eyes. What about hair? She has long, straight hair. He has short, curly hair. Describing personality. Now let's talk about personality. How is your friend? She is friendly and easy to talk to. She is honest and responsible. She is calm and patient. She listens carefully. Excellent descriptions. Natural conversation. Can you describe one of your friends? She is tall and slim with dark hair. What is she like? She is kind and very creative. She always helps others. She sounds lovely. She makes everyone feel comfortable. There is a boy who is quiet and thoughtful. He has soft brown hair and gentle eyes. He loves drawing, but he is shy and keeps it private. One day, a new student joins the class. She is cheerful and confident. Hi, what are you drawing? Just some ideas. She smiles kindly and waits. She does not push or hurry him. You seem very creative. He feels happy. For the first time, he feels understood. They become friends. They learn that appearance does not tell the whole story. Positive practice sentences. Repeat slowly. I can explain rules clearly. I can describe people politely. I can talk about appearance. I can talk about personality. I speak English with confidence. I speak kindly and clearly. I don't need perfect English. I need calm and honest English. Keep practicing every day. See you next time.